So this is the BaByliss Men Style Power Performance Super Clipper XTP. Now I haven't one of these before. I did have it before quite a while back, a good few years, and I've noticed it was a silver version of this. This is a gold version, it looks like. And basically it stopped charging. That was the only problem I had. Then I replaced it with another brand, Wahl, I think it was, and that one I lost the charger, and charger itself cost quite a lot of money, so I invested in another one of those original ones that I had before. And I thought I'd actually do an unboxing. Other two that I bought, one of them was, this is £50. The Wahl one that I bought, I think it's on my channel somewhere, you'll find it as well. They also were about £25. So I went back to the £50 one again in this case, and I'll do unboxing because I did like the use of that one much better. But I hope the battery lasts longer than the other one did. But I did, as I say, it did last me a good few years, about 5 years maybe. So yeah, so there you go. I'll just open this up and show you what it looks like. Let me show you the box first. So it does come with a case. My last one came with a bag, and it's got all the trimming stuff. But what I've noticed is out of all the trimming stuff that I can see on here, the attachment, the side one that you can do the side of your hair, it's not showing up on here for some reason, so I'm wondering if it's still there or not. Yep, so there you go. You can't see it on there, but the side one, yeah. So is there anything on the box I need to tell you about? It's just a normal box. Lithium batteries, supercharged mode, okay. 2 hours charge for 85 minutes runtime, 30 minutes quick charge, over 30 minutes use. So that's not bad. So yeah. So you just, you know, I don't know how long when I charge it, if I'm going to charge for 2 hours, normally we charge it for a good few hours and just leave it in a box until when we need to use it. But anyway, so let's get this opened up, which I always struggle with sometimes. Here we go. So it actually comes in the box, which is good. That's the back of the box. So we now have the instructions as usual. I don't know if anybody reads these, but okay. Now let's open the box up and have a look what's inside this box. Quite a nice small box. So, you know, if you see my hand, it's 2 hands wide. It's a small hand. I would give you the proper measurement, but you probably find that somewhere anyway. So here we go. All right, this is nice. This is much better than what I had before. Now straight away I can see, let's go to the attachment to see if I've got those side, you know, you can do it in an angle cutting on the side. I wonder if it's there or not. No, it doesn't look like it's there. There's different sizes, but not the side one. Oh, there it is. Yes, oh, it does. So, all right, that's interesting. That's one. This is what I mean. It's an angle cutting, so it's quite good. So they said to me, you've got on here. Way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm a bit confused here. On the picture it's showing me that much, but it's got a lot more in there. Yeah, that's the same. 8 there. Alright then, so I'm quite happy. It's already on there. I was assuming, you know, it didn't come with it. So let's have a look at the product itself. It's got a little cover on here. And you can adjust this blade, which is quite good. I'll show you there. Is it straight? It's straight. It's a nice feel to hold this. It's slightly heavier than my cheap £25 one, but it does feel nicer to hold this one. But I wish it was a bit more grippier. Although this looks grippy, but it's actually just a simple plastic. So I wish this was a bit more grippier so you can hold it nicely. It's a bit slippery, is my concern. But otherwise, I love the colour. My last one was silver, and this is basically in gold. I prefer the gold one, of course. It just looks a bit nicer and fancier. And it comes with a charger as usual. A bit of oil on the back and a brush to clean it. So I can actually use my other charging plug, which is good. So now if I can put this back somehow, that'll be even better. Okay, so that's interesting. It's a little, just cleaning that, I suppose. So there you go. So I've shown you all the attachments. This is the largest one. Number 8, 25mm. And the smallest one that comes with, which is the angle one here, another angle one there. The smallest one is 3mm. A good thing is I've got the other one, of course, my older one. I can probably get a lot more attachment on there as well if I've got any missing, so which is not bad for me. But there I go, I put it back in there. And let's see if it closes nicely as well. Sticks out a bit there. So why isn't it closing that well? Okay, it's not the best of the boxes. It's going to break. I can tell that bit's going to break one day, this bit here. And then once it's broken, it's a bit flimsy. I wish this wasn't as flimsy. But otherwise, the box is... Oh, it's stuck out now, isn't it? Look. That's not what I wanted to see. Okay, let's try that again. Open it up. Probably because this is going to be a tough bit. I know they're giving us a nice box, but the fact is, how can I put it in there if it keeps doing that? So the biggest problem with this clippers is the box itself. Oh dear. It's the way they made it. They molded it too much and now I can't get in there nicely. Oh, I wish they made it. Oh well. So just for comparison, I've got my £25 one, which doesn't have the adjustment, but it does the job. The best thing about these are, my last one I had the same, of course you can see there. They two sort of fit into each other for some reason, which is brilliant. And I love these ones because you just literally press it, instead of trying to pull it off like that, you just press it and that opens this bit up and it just sort of unhooks. So they did actually work on a different brand, which is quite nice. But this is my old one, as I said. It stopped charging, but it's a silver version. I had it for a good few years, as I said, but it just stopped working. The battery went, so I'm hoping this will last at least another 5 years. I'll be, get my money's worth. This one still works, the noise. That's my Wahl one, and this one here, its turning on button is here. Oh dear. If you compare the noise, this seems to be a bit more intense and much better built quality feels like than this one is. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see, but they both do a good job, I'll be honest with you. I like the charger on this one, it's simpler. On this one is 2, and I've lost the charger for this, so once the battery goes, I don't know how I'm going to charge it, because they do come in different sort of charging. But this one's the easy one. I think that they both have the same. So they haven't changed the design for a long time now. I know they've got a newer model, which is worth like £200 or £150 odd, the newer model to these ones. But I think I still like the look of this, is really good. So I do give the build quality a thumbs up. I like the color on the gold compared to the silver, and this is not bad as well, as I said, but it's a bit more light, I would say, just a bit tiny bit lighter maybe. I don't know, they're very similar. But one good thing about this is the button on the top. I don't like the way the button is made. It's a bit plasticky, but it's on the top. It seems to be easier to do it, while this one, when you're trying to cut hair, you've got to literally, 2 hands maybe to turn this on. So it should be on the top somewhere, which is easy to use. That would have been quite nice, but otherwise it's not bad quality and it's much better design. That's about it. But they both do good job. There you go, all done and dusted. So thank you for watching. I hope this sort of shows you what's in the box, and I'll bring some more stuff next time to you as well. Take care now. Bye bye.